Welcome sa Buhay na Bayani Vlog. Ito naman, may nakatapos na ng ating board number 6, no? Ito yung pinakang last nilang gagawin sa wiring natin sa board. So, i-check natin ang gawa ni sir. Sige sir, on. Okay. Ano yan? 3-way? Kabilang 3-way, off mo sir. On mo ulit. Single. Kabilang single switch. 3 gang. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so off muna sir, isa-isa. Okay, very good. Okay na sir. Ito ang ating board number 6. Sige sir. Okay, so 3 gang muna sir, unahin mo, isa-isa lang. Okay, so single switch. Yan dyan, single switch. Kabila, single switch. 3-way. Okay, off muna sir, isa-isa. Okay, very good. Okay na yan. May nakatapos ng ating board number 6. So, check natin ang gawa ni sir. Sige sir, on. 3 gang, sige. Single switch sir. Single switch. Kabilang single switch. Okay, 3-way. Okay, off muna sir, isa-isa. Okay, very good. Okay na yan sir. Number 6. So, check natin ang gawa ni sir. Sige. Sige. Kabila. On mo lang. Okay, single. Single. Okay, 3 gang. Okay, off na sir, isa-isa. Okay, very good. Sulit ng ating board number 6. So, check natin ang gawa na sir. Sige. Ay, single. Kabilang single switch. Kabila. Okay, 3-way. Okay, 3 gang. Isa-isa lang. Okay, so off mo na sir, isa-isa. Okay, very good. Okay na yan. Off. Maraming salamat sa panonood ng Buhay na Bayani Vlog. Lahat tayo ay pwedeng maging bayani.